Ghana for me din at the Abena Ghana. Program ya will share ya to the Abena Ghana with you. Jane will celebrate it for Dofu Air to check and come on. Me no ever could call baby baby and yakasa if I will celebrate this home. Why and I will celebrate it? Why and I will don't know? Or your musician, or your actress, or your actor, or your radio presenter, and other politicians. Train baby, I will be able to contact here. Abena Ghana, na work them or Bruno, and I'm about to know about your chin come off a fair. And they are by Labadi beach, and they Labadi phone you now chin come on. No, most of the celebrity. Our Madonna actual, didn't ya or Dono, it didn't ya on Dono. Now, we are ya dear Bakubia was celebrating the women and the general. And cover via share Abena Ghana with you. Other you want to say?
Me patrol me who pa.
Your friend me Abena Ghana first.
Me di ama.
Na celebrity ben pa na ofen asem.
The me pa na asem pa Yvonne Nelson.
Yvonne Nelson. Na wo hwa de ntia wo pe Yvonne asem.
Me pa na asem wo ni bibia sometimes nkrofo say o ye too no say but ewiase ye wo di obia pa na asem me so no ono na me hu na me feeling no.
Ono na wo hu na wo feel gwanze.
Yeah.
Na edi ade na wo Yvonne ho a obetimi aye na Yvonne hwe program ya wo hu say e yampa the fun ene wo.
Me pe ne dressing, me pe how kasa. Me pe ni bibia me pe na asem.
Enti obetimi aye ne ne ye bi wo kasa ma me ahwe.
Oh, for now there.
For now there.
No, man.
Yeah, that's the say when you are journey Abena Ghana with you akasa.
But sure, oh yeah, me fun is Facebook and Instagram.
Oh, that's fine. That is all you're the fun akasa.
Me follow no baby auntie.
Yeah, say but you bisa enyo mad for baby bia. We are say fan nyina.
Bisa enjuma my sister Cynthia, omo ye Cynthia me no, ye Flagstaff House.
Okay.
Ene madofu na me nuanum obi bia o hwe bia.
Yeah, Guswa, I will Labadi beach. Abena Ghana with you, and I will Guswa Oceano. My name sweetheart Richard, and I Kasa ya Labadi beach. Na you Guswa at your chin common. Why not celebrate the program now? Any you Gusano, sweetheart, next say.
Me, I'll pick shutter.
You will pick shutter.
Yeah.
I didn't tell pick shutter.
Oh, over there, me from Italy. Okay. I came for a visit, but since I need our industry, I really like it a lot.
Okay, so now open shutter, so you really like shutter a lot. Now, a dear Ben, what shutter who has to see us, we na shutter while her program, you're going to say, I'm pan the fun, anyway.
Okay, I only comment on his, how we call it, comment on his program anytime.
Anytime.
It's like Shutter is a young guy who is coming out and he's pushing the young guys to come what they want to become. You understand? It's from the street and he's coming out to push the guys.
So it's all about the street, it's all about pushing the guys, Shutter. No. Big ups to you. But what about to Shutter and Yombako Amami?
Like the Kakai.
So what's on the Kakai? Is Kakai?
Listen, all my guys over there in Italy, when we heard that Kakai, it's like it's coming.
Like you coming, Italy guys, we're coming for you. It's a cabiture here. So Kakai.
No, I can't. But for the other time. It's like, let's say, I forgot the other one.
You forgot that? Okay.
Yeah.
And
I really like Shutter a lot.
Okay, you really like Shutter a lot. So, Rich, big ups to people that you really want to say shout outs to.
Shout out to Ralph, Samini, King Cross, who is coming out with Edem very soon. I mean, 2 weeks' time. Watch out for that guy. He's my guy.
Okay.
King Cross.
Okay, shout outs to Samini, shout outs to Adam and all the big guys out there. Thank you, Richard. Thank you. It's nice having time with you. Thank you. Abena Ghana with you, so and I one and then the young Brony fit up some ketwa program the air cost of a fair when it was celebrating. Menya Jessica and then better chin come on. I am one say foreign what you Benya celebrity or Ghana. Jessica, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Who is a celebrity? Which celebrity do you love?
What?
Which celebrity do you love in Ghana?
I like Sarkodie, Stoneboy, and Miss Wee.
Sarkodie, Stoneboy, and Miss V.
Yeah.
Why do you like them?
Well, Miss Wee is really cool. I like her style, and she can really sing. And I saw Stoneboy live, and Sarkodie is a good rapper.
Okay, so can you say something about these three that makes you love them so much, or you can sing the music that they sang?
Oh no, I can't sing. I just dance to the music.
But at least you should just say one word that Miss B, if Miss B is watching, Miss B will know you really like her.
Well, I like the song Natural.
Natural.
Girl,
I'm a
yes.
natural girl,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, now what about Stone Boy? Yeah.
Oh no, I don't know.
Okay, what about Saturday?
Sakure featuring the one who died.
The one? I'm lost.
Something with a, I don't know.
Oh my God, I'm lost myself. Anyway, Jessica is lost just as me. Thank you so much. Can you say shout outs to some people you want to say hi to?
I don't know anyone. No, I know. I say hi to my family. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you so much for being with. And you need Ben, I don't open as him.
For that point, sir.
I didn't tell Paul for your him.
Okay, sir, now, you need to be artist, and sir, now, believe in you. I don't think I make penance.
And into our door for your ponsa. It's a dear dinner over here, so for you, Mrs. Sia, for you who say I am Paudono.
Oh, okay, and I do penage and answer me to me and to.
And to what you want on your Naka
Okay, but me penage you the bonus. Legend, dear, me tear pan and say I'm a fan to Madumi, and I saw more bonnet you say, yet to me a share.
And the title, Ben, I know she was a back over there. Okay, for your ponsa who say I'm Pau, your real fan.
Ned you way a friend say, although way, but I'm very few
other day, and you know I am Makayo. Other day,
although I see, I don't know.
Offer young ponsa, sweetheart, or dopa, you go swallow Abena with you. Thank you now, over to match ya, Nipaka Koba or Chiao.
Okay, Pessimate, Madame, who falling in any more any Musua mobile and mobile friends, so I know the Ekasai and Musu may be sorry.
Yes, so yeah, that was Silver Bracer, your friend, what buy your program echo. You go swallow Abena with you and Cobia. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
I'm with a pretty Amida. Is she not adorable? Oh, how are you?
I'm good.
Which celebrity do you adore or you like most?
Sakodie.
Oh, Sakodia is getting all the likes today. Why? Sak, what's happening? Why do you like Sakodia?
I like him a lot. The way he sings, the way he dresses, and especially the way he always say money no be problem. I really love that.
Oh my
God.
God.
I love him to say money no be problem.
So can you
I
give
believe
us,
in that.
You believe in that?
Yeah.
Money no be problem.
Yeah.
Oh my God. You understand? Money talks bullshit words. Amida, can you sing one song or just give a rap a line of Sakodia?
Obahima.
Just go, come on. Sak is watching, just go on.
Hello, Sak. I love your song and I know most of your songs, but I don't know. I don't know the reason why.
You have to sing it because I'm waiting for you. Continue for me.
Michelle Lashimi.
Oh,
please, no.
Let's go.
I'm okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Michelle Lashimi. No, Gina.
Oh, Amida, thank you so much.
Okay.
Anybody you want to say hi or shout out to?
I want to say hi to my friends and my families. I want to tell them I love them so much.
Amida loves you. We're still on hanging out with Abena. Thank you so much. Still here, Gusua, mehu some sexy, cute gentlemen. Papa na, it is say. Bibia Boko.
Adibia Boko.
And here is the crowd.
Well, sure.
Okay, all of you are looking nice. Celebrity Ben open us.
Celebrate today. Ghana hire and I
saw your TV presenter, saw your politician, saw your actress, actor, anybody open us.
When I power some.
Aside medium in Kaho, because it's a mina mayor, and also can you for open us.
I think so. I like everybody. It depends on the mood and if I want to listen to music and I want to listen to Ghana and Joma, Miss Betty, South Cordia, Papi Kojo.
Oh, South Cordia is getting more likes today. What's happening?
Yeah, South Cordia, so we are this on there. No, yeah.
That's how we send the kakra. What would you? Yeah, it's a dear now. South Cordia share program is a or they will say I am past a gangster, Epenasem, anywhere than a baby.
Oh, yeah. He should just keep on doing what he does every day. On your person on your side, I think that people are listening to him and he's making an impact.
Okay, see, obey me on South Cordia rap kaka because they will.
Yeah,
be patcho.
South Cordia, they need around.
Yeah, to kakra.
We need around. Yeah, but definitely, I think that Ninja Mama and Ninja Home. Choices now. Yeah.
Choices now. Yeah. Okay, see, why not obey Chiano? Shoutouts to why not Pesa Chiano?
Yeah, big shoutouts to my crew. Oma Moha, Nice Show Records. Kamika Lee, Killer, P. Young, my artist. Should watch out for him. Also to my boy Rich Lion. Wankasa Unia Bema, Rich Lion. All right.
No, thank you so much, Gangster.
Sure,
thank you so much.
All right.
Still, I go see Abena Ghana with you. So now, me ne catch if be kasa also the killer. Killer meaning said you kuni power, so you kuni power. Met ye every on one kasa no killer necessary.
Oh, you have Abena Ghana now, swear.
Nyamia do ban sana me no be kasa no killer no kuni pa na sa wo de ne boko.
There be we killer kuni pa, we killer smooth, killer boko.
So into we killer smooth, right?
Smooth killer. Smooth killer.
Okay, celebrity Ben Abena, so you're musician, so you're politician, and now so you're actress and actor. Why not what I don't know?
Oh, musician there, of course, Ken Sack. You know, he's a motivation and inspiration for almost every guy who's coming up. They say almost all his pictures are on Facebook and media, you know. I share some of his pictures way back 6-7 years ago. And I'm sharing now. He's come a lot, he's done a lot to get to where he is now. So he's a motivation and inspiration. And actresses or girls must be Jocelyn Duma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sarkodia, what is happening on the show? You've taken all the lights. Obiado, what they? Sark, Sheye. Mike, be careful. Sweetheart, Obetimi can and you back rap and I say, Bibia, or can't Sarkodia even say it's true, say open as him.
I think I like his flow and Oluwa is involved. The way it was flowing, that song is one of my favorite songs. You're hearing Payday, even though he's seeing Payday, but then the way he was spitting on the song, tell her where he comes from, where he is right now and everything. I think that's what one of his songs are.
Okay,
like
so can you give me just a line, like a lyrics of what you like?
Don't do that to me now.
You have to.
Don't do that to me now.
We waiting, no, you have to, killer.
Don't do that to me right now. Maybe
Just do it, just give it to us. Just kill it, you know.
Oh. I think you have to remove this part seriously.
Oh, just give it to me. I beg. Why are you looking around? Don't look at anybody.
No, you're putting me in a position right now that I wouldn't want.
Kill, I'm waiting.
That's bad. I will move on to the next question. I'll think on that and I'll come back.
No, you have to do it before I go to the next person. Seriously.
Oh,
Say it now.
Oh. Let's go
with the rap.
Huh?
I know just Oba him and him and that's all.
Okay, that's all. Okay. I'll stick with that.
Thank you so much. Anybody you want to say hi or shout out to?
Oh, you see, I'm in my crew here, Pion, Kem, Gangster, Aki. Basically, those are the guys I want to shout out to. And anybody else who's been watching Abena Ghana, I send them all shout out. And I'll tell them that I should keep watching you because, I mean, you got it on.
Oh, that's great. You know, all the way from B, we keep doing what we like most. Getting to another guy. No, me I don't boko. Celebrity Ben, I will open us and bar.
Okay, celebrity generally, and I say.
Celebrity be our daughter, so your politician,
okay.
So your TV presenter.
Near me, I don't know any yet. No, I'm for said who is sad.
Okay.
Yeah, near me, I don't hear Fanny Pion.
Okay.
Yes, truly. We'll be blowing to your upcoming artists.
Okay.
And to no more watch out.
Okay.
Shouts to Pion right now. I see you, Pion.
Thank you. But if you will have the money shout out.
Okay, shouts to my goons, shouts to my management. Right now I'm with my management.
Okay.
You can see doing something big and watch out for us too. Yeah, Nice Show Entertainment, Nice Show Records. We're in the building. That's all.
Okay. Your name, sweetheart.
I am Pion.
Pion. Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm Pion.
Okay, then give me one rap. One rap of your own song. Yes.
Cinderella now shall baby posse. Yes, Paul. Oh, what a gossip. What done for Josie no? Why you no posse? Ekumaba na yedu susu. I wonder.
Oh my God, this is beautiful. Like seriously, I need to do one rap with you. I was doing it with Gangsta, you know.
Oh really? Oh wow,
You
yeah.
used to sing a rap. Thank you so much. Thank you
Okay,
for being
thank you,
on the
thank you,
show.
thank you.
Akufo-Addo.
Okay, now we're going to the politics side. Why do you like Akufo-Addo?
I think he's a great guy, you know, like coupled with the fact that he lost the election petition, but he still kept his cool, all right, and he's a peaceful guy. So, and looking at the policies he's proposing, I think when he's giving the nod, he can do great things for Ghana. So that makes me like him.
Okay, so that's the reason why you like Akufo-Addo.
Sure.
Okay, are you an MPP or you just
Yeah,
like
of
him?
course,
You're an
yeah,
MPP.
of course.
Okay, so who do you want to say hi to? Shout out.
I'm saying hi to my guys, Gangsta Killer, Pyong, Dache Hene, Fetty, and myself, Chemical.
Yourself. What about your girlfriend or the family?
I don't have a girlfriend. I'm single.
Are you watching?
Yeah, I don't have a girlfriend.
Are you
I'm single.
watching?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Okay, thank you so much. Any celebrity or open assembly you like?
In Ghana.
Celebrity? Ghana, yeah, Ghana.
I'll choose Shatawale.
And then Shatawale needs to move you or beach how. You choose Shatawale?
Yeah.
Why Shatawale?
Yeah, I don't know, but he's my fan.
Shatawale is your fan?
Yeah, I just love Shatawale.
And to bet me, one and no man, assembly or can and attitude be a shatter shall be say yes, open assembly.
I like everything about Shatawale. His song, everything.
Oh, you just did something like, yeah.
Yeah, everything
The
about
attitude,
Shatawale.
you know, you want the attitude.
Everything
Oh,
about Shatawale.
that's beautiful. Anyone you want to say hi to, shout out?
Yeah, I want to share shout outs to my crew, RSG, Night Show, Silverstone, Seven Folks Boss, and everybody in the building, man.
Everybody?
Yeah, everybody I know.
Mommy?
Yeah, my mom, I love her. Everybody knows that.
Fiancé?
No, my ex. No,
I
don't go there.
I
don't go there. No.
You don't go there?
No.
Why do you say your ex?
Okay. I'm single.
Mommy, I'm now what they say.
Me di Teresa Latte.
Me mama so the Teresa.
Sir, me di Teresa.
Enti obane me.
Pacho you.
Mom pacho, edie na woton.
Me ton pan wan, insefu.
Ensenfo.
Pacho.
En pacho obetimi ma me bi ahwe.
Pacho.
Na ade na ya calabash ni na mo de serve.
Insefu de calabash na ye di no.
Enti
ebo pa. Embo. Pacho betimi aso calabash.
Mami so ma. Okay.
What's that fine pa?
Hey, the what? Abibire ma Ghana for your word ni amawati. Ensa na de say. Na ni na man say e ya omunye bi gugutu omu. Engo kwa mama enso ma motu hu ase. Ghana nko na de bia ansa fofo pe na yeton wa.
Say nsa. It is say ye nim first na Ghana nko na eja. Mpa nwani wo na ye nim say akwantu mu ye betumi ya ye nsa akọ. Nti ye be hwe say ye betumi ya ye nsa akọ.
Fi say e de pa.
Mpa wan ye fine. Fine pa.
Member chop musician be na open as politician as
akosi Japan. Akosi Japan na mpe na asem pa.
Open akosi Japan asem.
Ah, ni nyum ye me de.
Eti bacha nyum be na ohwa e ye ode pa.
Odo be ma misunko.
Aha, bacha oto na he.
Odo be ma misunko e. No dan. Ode ma fi wo. Odo be ba da be ni o. Mitimi dai odo be ma misunko e.
My that's favorite.
Miss Madam Asepa.
Abena Ghana with you, so I'm enjoying my time.
I love Mr. Katie. He's my absolute favorite. Absolute favorite. His music is amazing.
His music is amazing.
Yeah.
So what makes you like Bisa?
It's just his voice is very unique, and it's very more like high life, and I love high life music. So for me, he's the best.
Okay, so can you give me one song of Bisa?
Although Carpenter. It's my favorite. Although Carpenter. No.
Are you a Ghanaian?
Yes, I'm a Ghanaian.
Okay, which tribe are you?
Ekwapim, Ekropong. My dad's Ekwapim, Ekropong, and my mom is Osu, from Osu.
From Osu.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for being on the show.
Thank
Sweetheart.
you.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Lucy.
Lucy, okay. Which celebrity do you like?
I don't know their names. Denise, give me a name of somebody. Who do I like? Sakode.
Do you like Sakode?
Yeah, I do. Yeah,
Are you
Sakode.
sure?
I am.
Okay.
But I just don't know their names.
You don't know the name?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you like about Sakode?
He's very, what's the word? Not recent. Is it recent? Very upcoming and recent. Like he plays at all our weddings in London. What else would I say? He seems like a nice person.
Okay, so you like, anything from Sakode, any song?
Yes, any song.
Like you can remember?
It's Hallelujah.
No, that's
Castro. Oh, shame.
Yeah, I think it's Castro and Sakode, right?
Yeah, see, so yeah, Hallelujah.
Finally.
Oh, finally. Yeah, I'm not gonna sing it. No.
Okay, anybody want to say hi to? Shout out.
Just shout out to everyone in London that knows me, Juicy Lucy.
Okay, thanks for being on the show.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, serious. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
I'm Abena, and you?
I'm Saira.
Where are you from?
From Bangladesh.
So you came here on a visit or you stay in Ghana?
I came to visit.
Oh, so how is Ghana?
I really like it and I want to come back.
Like, seriously?
Yeah.
Okay, which musician do you like?
Saka.
Yeah.
Saka Day, that's
Why
it.
Saka? Dear Saka, you're taking all the likes. What's going on?
Yeah.
So which music do you like?
You know the one that goes na 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 na. That one. I don't know the words.
Which one?
The one that you said. What was it? The one we listened to in the car. Finally, oh, na, 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 go down. Yeah, that's the one.
Anybody want to say hi to? Shout out.
I'd like to say hello to all my friends and family in London. Woo!
Okay, nice having you on the show.
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Bye.
Adorable Liz. Sweetheart, come here.
Hello.
Oh, nice shades.
Thank you.
Beautiful hair.
Thank you.
I'm Abena, and you?
I'm Natalie. Oh, are you Abna?
Yeah,
I'm Abna.
Sorry,
Oh,
Abna's great.
yeah. She's
Yeah.
born.
Which celebrity do you like most?
Bisakadi. Only because of his song Mansa, and I'm third born girl. So I believe that song was made purposely for me.
Like, seriously? So can you sing more, like a bit of Mansa for me?
Mansa, Mansa.
Oh my God. Anybody want to say shout outs to?
All the people that know me back in London and all the people that I've met here. We've met quite a few nice people here, so all the people we met here. Thank you for making us stay enjoyable.
Oh, thank you so much for being on the show. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. I love you all. Bye-bye. Jerry and Maureen. Jerry, how are you?
I'm fine.
Which artist do you like in Ghana?
Bisa KD.
Bisa Kede. Bisa. Why do you like Bisa?
I like his style, I like his pattern, I like his music.
You like his music?
Yeah.
And you believe he can do better?
Yeah, sure. He's a very
Okay.
nice musician.
Okay, so which song can you sing for us from Bisa?
Mansa, but I can't sing it very well.
At least little for us.
I don't understand the language, so okay.
But
Mansa, that's what I can do.
okay, thank you so much, Maureen. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
I thought that was your husband.
Oh, my
I blast, you know. Which musician, actress, artist that you like in Ghana?
Oh, Ifya.
Efia. What do you like about Efia?
Everything. I don't know. Her voice, everything. I just like her.
Just like everything about Ifya. So, which music that inspires you, that makes you like Ifya?
The one she sang during the Ghana Music Awards.
Which one?
Oh, piano, choose, be cool, something.
Right.
Although it's a Nigerian song, but
she did
it in her own way.
Okay,
yeah.
so you like it, huh? Okay, anybody want to say shout outs to?
I want to say shout out to my friends here in Ghana, Sami Yuma and Kwame.
And what about Nigeria? Because it's going to be all over people to watch as well.
Okay, shout out to my family. I love you.
Okay,
Bye.
Thank you so much for being on the show. Thank you. God bless you so much. We're still with Abena Ghana with you. We're still with Abena Ghana with you. I'm with Vomka.
Kakalika.
Kakalika. What's the name? Sweetheart, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Which artist do you like, adore in Ghana?
Shatawali.
Why?
Because he's my model.
He's a model.
Yeah, and he's my godfather.
He's your godfather?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you give us one of his songs that you like most?
Obodobidi.
Can you sing it for me? A little bit of that.
I'm not good in singing,
but
I like it.
Anything, anything that when Shatta is watching, Shatta will know you really like it.
Oh, okay. I can't never feel. She was never feel. Obodobidi.
Thank you so much. Anybody want to say hi, shout outs to?
Yeah, shout outs to Abu Sonata. Shout outs to Dambaba. Shout outs to Mekarfi. Shout outs to Potomene. Shout outs to CYO. Shout outs to Tawfiq Kali. Shout outs to Aminu Chukudi. And shout outs to Tonda.
Shout outs to everybody.
Basakuba, shout outs to everybody.
Shout outs to everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you. Still with hanging out with Abena Ghana. What's your name?
Nanama.
Nanama.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
Second hour of Patrick, you know?
Yeah.
People tell you look like her?
Yeah.
Like seriously?
Yeah.
Have you met Priscilla before?
Yeah.
Okay.
I met her at Briefcase.
Okay.
At Jingano.
Okay, and she really know that you guys look alike? Like
no, I didn't talk to her.
Why?
Nothing. I just saw her passing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you saw that was your twin sister?
Yeah.
Okay, which celebrity do you like in Ghana?
Jackie.
Jackie
Apia.
Why do you like Jackie Apia?
I just like her because she's pretty.
She's pretty?
Yeah.
And what again?
Majid. I like
and Majid. So
yeah.
these two, what makes you like them? Is it their acting? Is it their pretty or the way they dress or something?
The way they act.
The way they act.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody want to say shout outs to Hi or somebody?
Okay.
Hi.
Shout outs to my friends here, my new friends here. I met them today. Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Labadi Beach, always meeting people. And who again?
Shout outs to my mom.
Your mom. And who again?
Junior.
Okay, shout out to everybody. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Your name, your mommy, your auntie, your sister Paulina ever chichen come on. Ma Paulina is saying.
Pache.
Pache media Abena now the same.
The Paulina. Bafua.
Paulina.
Bafua.
Who's about open a mabo? Tia maybe
Ah, okay.
At least Ben open as some organize.
Oh, Munina and Pubiasem. Na tutu pa ye wo na mpa wasem pa.
Me na open myself.
Yeah.
Inte di ntem open myself.
Oh ya me fe. And I'll be bia so kire say we African girl.
Thank you. Obi o ha o bisa nyom e man shout out.
Enyom de enkoma wo first. Asina akwa ma other
and that is family in so way.
Family no.
That is our chiano.
Family de me chia me ba first. Augustine and akwa me Alice ene ada mabusuafo nyina me chia obi o kuma se families bia e Paulina mabusuafo nyina tachiman chia obi a
me so me da se pa anti Paulina me da se bebe se papa net say
mam va so ko na so e
nyame adom ye kura
ba he ma ho fe ba ko ah
but so artists be musicians politicians and why na open as am e wo Ghana has
oh you know can bia metimi ka bia nche sa e wa na ti we no nuanom Any my dog for a buyer.
Now, apart from me, why now don't know?
Oh, President another day.
Like musician, actress.
Oh, that is nobody. I'm Ginny Tum heavy. Just I want to know that I didn't have Joe Tum. And the champ on more. That's all.
Mr. That's all. If I say to it, tomato, that the Lumanium Papa.
Oh, make me a bonium.
Bominium. Papa Bominium, what is?
Memorium. Memorium. Maybe Parabonium.
Wait.
What's it? Audrey, if you are Sempa, dear. Me, de Nancy, me, Boa Sempa, or don't name party pentina. Ah? If you are Sempa, oh, here name party pentina, that year me, Boa Semu, baby, no don't tea.
But one of us are Oceano.
Oh, Mr. Chamada for you, my be a friend of Frank, or UK.
Okay.
My wagon so no se feno na yawo na kwame na kwaju omnya UK my wagon feno Frank ne dia no ejuma wa masa we fitani na me driver tiba driver e fe come entry bi si obi a che mabusiafo wo me ba odofo nyina wo sa.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm great. I'm Abena, and you?
I'm Pope.
Pope, which artist, musician, actress, actor, or politician do you like in Ghana?
Actor Jackie Appiah. Actress Jackie Appiah.
Actress Jackie Appiah.
And actor Kojon Kansan Lewin.
Oh, so what makes you like Jackie?
She's so gorgeous. I'm down with her. She has it all.
She has it all, Jackie.
Anything. Natural.
Okay.
Natural.
So what about Kojon Kansan Lewin?
Funny.
So can you give me a funny word that he said? Okay, so anybody want to say shout outs to?
A shout out goes to my first shout out is going to my friend whom I just picked from the airport.
Okay.
From Israel, Rani Yosef Shabtai.
Okay.
And then my one and only sweet girlfriend, Gloria Appiah. Oda Nelson Training College.
Okay.
That's all. And my friends.
Okay, any friends?
Yes.
Anybody? Thank you so much for being on the show. Thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you. You?
I'm fine. What brings you to Ghana?
Oh, many things. First of all, my friends Pope. And second, the beautiful beaches of Ghana.
And what again?
And the people, super nice people. I think the most nice people in Africa.
Okay.
And the music.
And music, good. So what do you like about Ghana music?
It's not about me, it's all Africa. I just told my friend that I was traveling in Ethiopia and Kenya, and they translate Telemo into Amharinia. So it's like Ghana is a continental music. It's not only about Ghana. You are producing all over the country.
Okay, thank you so much. Anybody want to say shout outs to?
Or to my sweet girlfriend Fredel, that I left home. Be strong, I'm coming soon.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Where? The country, because they're going to listen.
Israel.
It's going to be all over.
Israel.
Israel, thank you so much.
One and all country.
Okay, thank you so much. You're still listening and watching to Abena Ghana with you. We're still at Labadi Beach and we're having a lot of fun. Who is your celebrity? Who do you like more? Is it an actress, actor, musicians? Contact me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Abena Ghana Official, and I will come to your area. Thank you. Okay, so who is your best celebrity, musician, or politician artist in Ghana?
In Ghana?
Yes. Who do you like in Ghana? Musician? Actor?
I don't know. I like all of them.
Seriously? Okay, mention one name.
I'm not really popular with Ghanaian actors and musicians.
Okay.
But I don't really know their names.
You don't really
know their music.
Okay, can you sing one of the music and I'll tell you the name? And you? Patient. What's your name?
Esther.
Esther. Which artist, musician, politician, actress do you like in Ghana?
Efia.
Efia. What do you like about Efia?
Her voice is nice and it's unique.
She's unique. Okay, so can you give me one song of Efia?
Best in Me.
Can you sing it? Lil, okay, let's go.
You bring out the best in me. You bring out the best in me. From the single touch of your hands, boy. You bring out the best in me. I didn't know you're my man, boy. You bring out the best in me.
Like, seriously? You did that, Efia! Do you sing in church?
Yes.
Do you know you have to train to become a musician or something? You know that you have the voice. You just
Not
like
really.
it, yeah.
Not really.
Oh, anybody want to say shout outs to?
My dad.
Who again? Anybody?
My aunt and my cousins. Yeah.
Okay.
So I just want to tell them that I'm having a lot of fun.
Uh-huh.
And tell them that they're missing a lot.
You're from Nigeria for a visit.
Yeah.
So you go back.
Yes.
Okay, talk to your family over there. They will catch you on YouTube as well. So talk.
What I say about
You just want to say hi to everybody in Nigeria. Which state?
Ogu. I'm from Ogu.
What?
I live in Lagos State, but I'm from Ogu.
Okay, so you want to say hi to everybody in Nigeria. Patience, say hi. And you?
Hi to everybody in Ghana.
Everybody in Ghana? Especially who?
My mom, my dad, everybody.
Everybody. Oh, nice having you on Abena Ghana with you. Thank you. Thank everybody for watching the program. We love you. Say bye-bye to everybody. Bye. Bye.
Yeah. That time make we sing Ghana, Nigeria, this a one Africa.